Welcome to Goldwachen's Quality Tips. Do you hear a grinding noise when changing gears? If you leave this sound unattended, you could find yourself unable to shift gears, losing power when you accelerate, or stalled on the highway, putting you at a higher risk for an accident. The first reason for the noise could be a worn clutch plate that may need replacing. The second could be a problem with the transmission synchronizers, meant to help with a smooth shifting from one gear to the next. If these are worn, damaged, or insufficiently lubricated, then you'll have difficulty changing gears and you'll hear this type of grinding noise. To figure out the issue, visit a qualified mechanic and get the necessary parts you need at any of our nationwide Goldwachen stores.